everyone. I am Fiza Fatima from MERA Group of Institution, and today I'm going to discuss about elaboration or significance of cost accounting and the drawbacks of cost accounting. First, what is cost accounting? The term cost accounting refers to the recording of all incomes and expenditures and ends with the preparation of periodical statements and reports for ascertaining and controlling cost. Think as an aid to management. Cost accounting provides invaluable aid to management. It provides detailed costing information to the management to enable them to maintain effective control over stores and inventory, to increase efficiency of the organization, and to check wastage and losses. For all these, the management should be capable of using the information provided by cost accounts in a proper way. The various advantages delivered by the management from a good system of costing are as follows. First, cost accounting helps in periods of trade depression and trade competition. The management must know the areas where economies may be sought, waste eliminated, and efficiency increased. The management should know the actual cost of their products before embarking or on any scheme for price reduction. Adequate system of costing facilitates this. Second, cost accounting aids for price fixation. Although the law of supply and demand to a great extent determines the price of the article, cost to the producer does play an important role. The producer can take necessary guidance from his costing records in case he is in a position to fix or change the price charged. Third, cost accounting helps in marking estimates. Adequate costing records provide a reliable basis for making estimates and quoting tenders. Fourth, cost accounting helps in channelizing production on right lines. Proper costing information makes it possible for the management to distinguish between profitable and not profitable activities. Fifth, cost accounting eliminates wastages. As cost accounting is concerned with detailed breakup of costs, it is possible to check various forms of wastage or losses. Sixth, cost accounting makes comparison possible. Proper maintenance of costing records provides various costing data for comparison, which in turn helps the management in formulation of future lines of action. Seventh, cost accounting provides data for periodical profit and loss account. Adequate costing records provide the management with such data as may be necessary for preparation of profit and loss account and balance sheet at such intervals as may be desired by the management. Eighth, cost accounting helps in determining and enhancing efficiency. Efficiency can be measured, cost control, and various steps can be taken to increase the efficiency. Ninth, cost accounting helps in inventory control. Cost accounting furnishes control which management requires in respect of stock materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Second, costing as an aid to creditors. Investors, bank, and other money lending institutions have a stake in the success of the business concern and therefore benefited immensely by the installation of an efficient system of costing. Third, costing as an aid to employees. Employees have a vital interest in their employer's enterprise in which they are employed. They are benefited by a number of ways by the installation of an efficient system of costing. They are benefited through continuous employment and higher remuneration by the way of incentive, bonus, plans, etc. Fourth, costing as an aid to national economy. An efficient system of costing brings prosperity to the business enterprise, which in turn result in stepping up the government revenue. The overall economic development of a country take place as a consequence increase in efficiency of production. Control of cost, elimination of wastage, and efficienciness led to the progress of the industry and in consequence of the nation as a whole. Drawbacks of cost accounting. Based on estimates, indirect costs are not charged fully to a product or process. Actual cost varies from estimated cost. Due to these limitations, all cost accounting results are taken as mere estimates. Lack of uniformity. Procedures of cost accounting followed by different organizations are different for the different products. All these lead to different cost results for the same operation. Thank you. Hope you guys like this video.